Black people, let's talk solutions. Here I came up with 10 solutions that can help Black people in the United States advance individually and as a community. And I'll give you a brief expansion on the topics. Number one, build generational wealth. We need to focus on financial literacy, investing, and entrepreneurship, learning about credit, saving, budgeting, and building assets like real estate, stocks, or we will help create financial stability for future generations. Community led investment groups or cooperative economics, group investing can also be effective in creating shared wealth. Support Black owned businesses. Circulating money within the Black community strengthens economic power. We also should make a conscious effort to buy from Black owned business, promote them, encourage others to do the same thing. Starting and scaling successful businesses is key to long-term financial independence. Strength, Strengthening education and skill development. Education is one of the most powerful tools for advancement. This includes not just traditional schooling, but also trade skills, certifications, and continuously learning. Black communities should push for better school funding, mentorship programs, scholarships, while also encouraging self education through books, online courses, and skill building programs. Number four, prioritize health and wellness. Physical and mental health are essential for success. We need to address health disparities by promoting healthier eating, regular exercising, mental health awareness, and preventative health care. Community health initiatives, free wellness programs, and better access to Black doctors and therapists can make a big difference. Number five, own and invest in property. Owning land and property builds long term stability and generational wealth. Learning about real estate, co investing in property, and preventing gentrification in Black communities can help keep wealth within the community. Land ownership gives us power and security that can be passed down through generations. We're going to build and control media platforms. Controlling our own narratives is essential for empowerment. Creating Black owned media outlets, podcasts, and social media platforms allows us to tell our own stories, educate our people, and counter negative stereotypes. This also includes supporting independent Black filmmakers, content creators, and journalists. We got to all work together. That's the only way we're going to get any of this stuff done. Engage in political and legal advocacy. Political engagement shapes policies that affect our daily lives. Voting, running for office, and advocating for laws that benefit Black communities, such as police reform, business funding, and education equality, are all critical. Also, knowing our legal rights and having access to Black legal professionals can help protect our communities. Number eight, strengthen community unity and networking. A strong network leads to more opportunities. We should create local and online communities where Black professionals, entrepreneurs, and creatives can connect, share resources, and mentor one another. Unity helps build strong movements and initiatives that create real change. Let's promote self sufficiency and agriculture. Growing our own food, learning sustainable practices, and starting community gardens can help fight food insecurity and health issues. Self-sufficiency also includes learning trades and survival skills that make us less dependent on systems that have historically been against us. Number 10, empower future generations. Mentorship and positive role models are crucial for young development. Teaching financial literacy, self-confidence, history, and leadership skills to young black children prepares them to succeed. Creating safe spaces for them to learn and grow will help ensure a brighter future for our people. These solutions are actionable steps that we can take as individuals and as a community. But the key to it all is collaboration, consistency, and self determination in implementing these changes for a long term impact. And that is what can help our black communities in the United States or anywhere else advance individually and as a community. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.